Assalamu alaikum. So this was the homework from lesson 2 on this is on page 10. So you just needed to write it on a notebook or on your book with pencil and send a picture. Take a
Okay.
picture of this your homework and send it to me.
Okay.
Okay. So from next time, so just note somewhere page 10 writing, write page number 10, and then you need to memorize these vocabulary words from lesson 2, and then sorry, lesson 1, and then last time we did lesson number 2, and there's a short, like small homework, just 4 sentences. You need to write down these 4 sentences from lesson 2 and these new words. Learn these new words. So what you are going to do, you are going to write this page, these 4 sentences, and take a picture and send it to me and learn these words. I'm gonna assess, I'm gonna do a short quiz about these vocabulary words next time.
Okay.
Okay. So today we are going to do lesson 3. Are you ready?
See.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Bismillah
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Okay. What do you see? What do you think we are doing? We are going to do in this lesson? Is it big enough? Like clear enough for you,
Yeah.
or should I make it bigger?
It's fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can make it bigger. Hold on. Is it clearer?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold Hold on, Zaki. Okay. Athar, can you see it clearly?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you see? What are we going to do in this lesson?
Like add al.
Al. So when we add al to, what do you see? What's the difference between when you bring al in the beginning of the word? What change do you see?
There's a alif lam.
Alif lam in the beginning, but do you see any difference of haraka movement over here? Like, oh, on ba
Oh
you
yeah.
have fatha,
There's
and
no
on the
tanween.
end, the middle letter you have sukoon, and on the last letter you have over here you have tanween, or over here. Do you have tanween?
No.
No. So that is this change consistent everywhere?
Yeah.
So over here, this is kitabun, and when you bring al, it becomes al kitabu, right? So when al comes, the tanween
Goes away.
goes away, right? So
Yeah.
qalamun, al qalamu, jamalun, al jamalu, right?
Yeah.
Do you have idea the meaning of this? Because we have been doing haza baitun.
Yeah. It's that.
Baitun means?
Oh no, Beitum is house. Al is the
Baitun is house. Only house or what?
a house.
A house. Yes, a house. And al-baitu,
The house.
the house. Very good. Excellent. The house. Al means the, right? So
Yeah.
baitun is a house, al-baitu, the house. So which one is particular, specific? Which one is common?
The house.
The house is common.
A house.
Huh?
No, a house.
A house is common, right?
Yeah.
Any it if I say a house, it can be any house, your house, my house, the house in front of my house. It can be any house in the world, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I say a house, it means it's a common, it's common noun, right?
Yeah.
And when I say the house,
The house is specific.
is specific or definitive.
Yeah.
I'm determining that the house I'm talking about, the definitive, right?
Yeah.
Can I say definitive, specific, or definitive? Okay.
Okay.
So when I say the house means I'm pointing, or I have a particular house in my mind. That's I'm referring to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So baitun is a house. It's a common noun. Okay. It's a common
Now.
noun. Common noun baitun. This tanween is also telling me that it's a common and it's one. Okay. Ah. And al baitu, al with al it becomes the house. So it's definitive. Okay.
Okay.
Then comes qalamun. What is qalamun means?
A pen.
A pen.
Pen.
Al qalamu,
The pen.
the pen. Right.
Yeah.
Now kitabun,
Book. A book.
a book. So is it a common or a specific?
Common.
The book you have near your laptop, can it be the our book?
Yeah.
Yes. And the book I have in front of me can be a book, right? So it's a common. A book, kitabun is common noun. Al kitabu, al kitab,
The house.
the
Or I mean the book.
the book. Okay. Jamalu, jamalun, jamalun means camel.
The a camel.
A camel. Al jamalu,
The camel.
the camel means some specific camel, someone's camel. Al jamal. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Okay, let me erase all. Let's do. What did we learn so far?
Common noun and definitive and the.
Yeah, and how when al comes,
The tanween goes
what
away.
does it? What change happens to the word?
The tanween goes.
Yes, and when al comes, it makes the common noun
Definitive.
definitive. So we learned, so far we learned these things. Let me erase all these. Okay. Now we have few more nouns, few more examples. Okay. It says al-qalamu maksurun. Al-qalamu,
The pen
the pen. Very good. The,
is broken.
oh, let me take the text writing. Yes. The pen, maksurun means broken. Maksurun, broken. Okay. So should I write is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Because you know, al, with al, it is a proper noun or definitive noun, and maksurun, because of tanween, is
Uh, like it's the combination.
common noun. With un sound, tanween sound, it's a common noun, right? And remember, I told you, because of the specific combination of a proper noun and with a common noun, then it becomes a complete sentence, and we can write is over here. Is broken. Let me erase first and then write it down again. The pen. Now, because it's a combination of proper noun with a common noun, so this sentence is complete. So this specific combination makes these two words complete sentence. The pen is broken. Okay. What about this one? Al-babu maftuhun. Which one is proper?
The al-bab.
Al-babu is proper. Why is it proper?
It's definitive.
Because of al.
Yeah.
Okay, because al is there, the door. So that's why is a proper noun or definitive noun or definitive noun, definitive ism or noun. And then maftuhun, maftuhun is
Open.
open, common noun.
Yeah.
So how can I translate?
The door is open.
Excellent, awesome. The door is open. What about this one? Al-waladu jalisun. Let me tell you, waladu means boy, jalisun, sitting.
The
Someone
boy
sitting.
is sitting.
Sorry?
The boy is sitting.
So which one is proper noun?
Al-waladu.
Yes, al-waladu is proper because of,
The al.
and which one is common noun?
Jalisun.
Jalisun, jalisun. Yes. And wal mudarrisu waqifun.
And the teacher
And the teacher is, what is opposite of,
teaching or standing. the teacher is standing.
Standing. Excellent. Shabash. So it's a, and the teacher is standing. The boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Excellent. So on this part of the page, what did we learn?
Al.
We learned al on the previous part.
Oh,
On
we learned
part, what did we learn?
the
In a simple sentence,
there's a common noun and proper
when
noun.
one or more ism are there, simple sentence, this type of sentence when which starts with a noun or a ism, that sentence is called jumla ismiya or nominal sentence. So nominal sentence, what did we learn?
We like
When the proper noun combines with a common noun, then is comes, and it may this specific combination makes it a complete sentence grammatically, right?
yeah.
If I say hazal kalamu, then it's not a complete sentence, because hazal kalamu means this pen.
That
This pen.
this
Haza is a
this
proper noun, and al kalamu is also a proper noun because of the. So hadal qalamu is
it
not a
would be this the pen.
this the pen, right? This the pen. Okay. So on this part of the page, we learn that with the combination of a proper noun and a common noun, the sentence becomes a complete sentence, and is in the translation is there. The pen is broken. Okay. Al qalamu maksurun. Al-babu maftuhun. Can you say these sentences and their sentences and their translation?
القلم القلم مكسور. The pen is broken. الباب مفتوح. The door is open. الولد جالس. The boy is sitting. والمدرس
Mudarrisu,
وال
mudarrisu.
والمدرس وقيف. And the teacher is standing.
Excellent. Awesome. Let me erase it down and go to the next part of the page. So, okay. Now you again read it.
Oh.
Shabash. Isko padh.
الكتاب جديد والقلم قديم.
Excellent.
The
Jadidun.
pen
Do you know jadidun means?
fell.
Sorry?
Like it fell.
No, jadidun means new and qadimun means old.
Oh, the pen is new and the note.
Qadimun means old.
Yeah, but the
Al-kitab.
the book is new and the pen is old.
Excellent. The book is new and the pen is and the pen is
Old.
good. Excellent. What about this? Do you remember himar? Himar, al-himaru means
Donkey.
the donkey.
The
Excellent.
donkey. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey uh, uh,
Picture, just look at the picture. What could be the meaning? Saghirun.
uh, is looking.
What about the size of two animals?
Oh, smaller.
Yeah, saghirun means small.
The donkey is small and the horse is big.
Good. MashaAllah. Awesome. You translated yourself. Alhamdulillah. So, al-kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun. The book is new and the pen is old. Okay, what are a proper or definitive noun in this sentence?
Uh, the
Proper.
proper one is al-kitabu and wal-qalamu, and the commons are jadidun and qadimun.
Excellent. Awesome. MashaAllah. What about this sentence?
The proper ones are al-himaru and wal-hisanun, wal-hisan,
Wal-hisanu.
wal-hisanu, and the common ones are sahirun and kabira.
Shabash. Awesome. MashaAllah. So we learned lesson number, oh, sorry, page 17, and now we are going to go to page 18 of lesson number 3. So this is page number 18, and tell me, what is this?
Al-kursiyun maksurun.
Al, with al, do you say kursiyun?
Al-kursi maksurun. The chair is broken.
Yeah. So you don't say tanween when al is already there. The tanween is not there. When one al comes, tanween goes away. Okay, na?
Yeah.
So the chair
is broken.
is broken. Excellent. आप पिक्चर देख के अंदाजा लगा लेते हैं ना? माशाल्लाह. Okay. Now you tell me this one. Do you see ice cubes?
Yeah. Al-ma'u barid.
Al-ma'u, al-ma'u,
Al-ma'u baridun.
baridun,
Baridan.
baridun.
Barid.
Yes. Al-ma'u, the
Ice cubes
water.
or the
Ma'u
water.
is water. Huh?
The water
Is
is cold.
excellent. Excellent. So, most of the time, so far, the sentences we just read, we just studied, all the sentences had one noun with its property. Did you notice? Here is one noun, ठीक है? Ism है. Maksurun is the property of that ism.
It's
Again,
an adjective.
though in English it's adjective, but in Arabic, the adjective is ism sift, again ism. So both are ism in Arabic. Okay? From Arabic grammar point of view, both are ism. This one is proper ism, okay, with al, and this one is common ism with tanween. Okay?
Okay.
You got the idea? So in Arabic, adjective is called ism sift. Let me write it down here. Adjective is called ism sift. And this is also an ism. Okay. There is also ism, and the quality of being broken is also ism. Just keep in mind, all qualities or properties are also ism in Arabic. ठीक है? याद रखेंगे?
Yeah.
One more fact you learned today. Okay?
Okay.
Acha. The chair is broken. Okay. The water is cold. So cold is the quality or property, right? What about this one?
القمر
Hmm.
جميل. The sky.
Sky.
Or
What
no, the
is
moon.
the thing focused here?
Moon.
Moon, yes.
The
Al-Qamar means
moon.
moon.
The moon is
Jamilun means beautiful.
beautiful. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Jamilun means beautiful. Okay. So again, two ism together. One is, which one is proper ism?
القمر.
Al-Qamaru.
القمر.
And which one is
And جميل is
common ism? Excellent. Okay, let me erase and go further and check if we are done with this page. Then we can just finish today's lesson, because today we are going to cover only 2 pages inshallah, and the rest of the exercise we are going to do next time. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Here are some more sentences. Okay, let's do these. इनको करते हैं और फिर हमारा lesson खत्म होगा इंशाल्लाह. Al-Baitu. Can you read it aloud?
البيت قريب والمسجد بعيد.
So which one do you see bigger in the picture?
The house.
The house seems bigger. So if house seems bigger, it means is it near or far?
It means the house is closer. The house is close and the masjid is far.
Excellent.
Qaribun is just like Qarib in Urdu.
Yes, Kareeb. Just like in Urdu, we say Kareeb means close, closer.
Yeah.
The house is close or closer, and masjid, the masjid, the masjid is far, right?
Yeah.
Or you can say the house is near and the masjid is far. Okay?
Okay.
Far or at a distance. Acha. Now this one.
الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف.
From the expression, what do you see?
The rock.
When someone is trying to lift it away, lift it up.
The rock is heavy.
Yes, excellent.
And the
rock is heavy.
And the
Paper.
Oh, and the paper is light.
Oh, is light. MashaAllah. Good. You figure it out yourself. Alhamdulillah. So saqilun is heavy and khafifun is
Light. Light.
light. MashaAllah. Okay. Do you see smoke coming out of this cup?
Yeah.
So can you translate?
Allabanu harun.
Allabanu
Allabanu harun.
harun. Harun.
Harun.
Hmm.
The
Labanu milk.
The milk is hot.
Excellent. The milk is hot. Okay. Al-qamisu nazifun. Nazifun.
Al-qamisun.
Qamisu.
Al-qamisu nadifun. The shirt is wet.
Clean.
Or the shirt is
When
clean.
we wash clothes and put on the on this rope, so
the shirt is clean.
Clean. Yeah. Al-qamisu nazifun. The shirt is clean. Okay.
Okay.
So alhamdulillah, you did learn these simple sentences with two ism in it, and let's just recap what you learned today. ठीक है? हम दोबारा उसको recap कर लेते हैं. अच्छा. क्या यहाँ थर्ड लेसन में हमने क्या first thing what did we learn?
We learned the and the proper noun and the common noun.
Excellent. Da makes al or da makes a noun
Proper, and the mean goes away.
Yes, very good. And when sentence is complete, when do you say that sentence is complete? Nominal sentence.
Yeah. There's one proper and one common.
Excellent. When one proper and one common ism combine, then it's a complete sentence, and in translation we can put is in between, right? Al-qalamu maksurun.
The pen is broken.
Excellent. Al-ba'abu maftuhun.
The door is open.
Al-waladu ja'alisun.
The boy is sitting and the teacher is standing.
Excellent. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun.
The book is new and the pen is old.
Alhamdulillah, mashallah, you are awesome. Al-himaru saghirun wal-hisanu kabirun.
The donkey is small and the horse is big.
Mashallah. Al-kursiyu maksurun.
The chair is broken.
So which one is common noun?
Maksurun.
And which one is proper noun?
Al-kursiyu.
Are they both ism?
Yeah.
Both ism. One is name of a thing, and the other is quality of a thing. In Arabic, quality of a thing is also
Ism.
Ism. Excellent. Al-ma'u baridun.
The water is cold.
Al-qamaru jamilun.
The moon is beautiful.
Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Al-baytu qaribun.
The the house is close and the masjid is far.
Shabash. Al-hajaru saqilun wal-waraqu khafifun.
The rock is heavy and the paper is light.
Excellent. Al-labanu harun.
The milk is hot.
Al-qamisu nazifun.
The the shirt is clean.
So, mashallah, you did you learned 2 pages. Actually, you learned whole of the third lesson today, and we are going to do exercises next time.
Okay.
Exercise of lesson 3 next time, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
So here we conclude our this lesson, and you are going to send me homework for lesson 1 and lesson 2 together, inshallah.
Okay.
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 Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.